Hey guys, I'm just going to rip out a quick video for you. I found a pretty cool little trail that climbs this hill over here. It's pretty steep, but it got me thinking, if I had a hub drive, I would never be able to go up that without pedaling. I'm going to take you guys up to this trail. It's pretty steep, and I'm not going to pedal once. I'm going to use just the throttle. And here's the challenge I'm putting out to you. If you have a hub drive bike that's 1,500 watts or less that can do this without pedaling, link me to the video. Because I don't believe any of you guys you say that your Rad Rover can climb mountains with no problem with a hub drive. So let's go on this quick little ride, and I want to see what you guys think, hub drive versus mid drive. I already know which one I like better. The only reason I'm even on the bike right now is because I had a leak in the front tire through 2 of the spokes, which I didn't have before. But I figured I'd pump it up to 40 PSI and see if I rode around a bit if it would seal, and it seems like it has. But I still have a little bit of time left to wait for my air filter to dry, because I'm taking my K&N out to let it to dry. And again, I have my microphone under my collar. So let's see. I'm in my flip-flops and shorts, so I'm not gonna be like Speed Racer here, but this is all uphill. But it gets really steep. And I'm not pedaling at all. I'm using the pedals as footrests. I want to see you hub drive guys in your Rad Rovers do this without pedaling. And I'm at 50% power. And here comes the steep part. Right up, guys. It's not even sweating. I want to see your Rad Rover do this. How about this part? This is like a 45-degree angle. And takes us out here up onto the street. I don't even know which way where this goes, but because I really didn't want to get too far. Let's come over here real quick. And I just left it in a low gear. I wasn't shifting or doing anything special. Well, this is all very soft stuff over here. All right, well, I want to make this video short. I don't really want to ride around all day. Well, I kind of do, but I gotta get that air filter back on before it gets dark. Yeah, I can still do like 18 in my lowest gear, which is kind of nice. I just leave it locked in the lowest gear when I'm doing this kind of stuff, just so I have a little more torque. Okay, just give you guys an idea how steep this is. I mean, can you get an idea how steep that is? That's, like I said, about a 45-degree angle. I have to actually get off the seat and lean backwards to make it down. And yeah, I'm in flip-flops, so I'm trying not to twist my ankle or anything. I know you mountain bikers out there are laughing at me how slow I'm going, but yeah. Okay, so the challenge is going out to any of you Rad Rover owners or anybody with a hub drive. I want to see you do what I just did. Good luck with that. Hope you enjoyed the video. Catch you later.
Odin commands you to like and subscribe, and clean my litter box.
Hey, thank you for watching our video. If you liked it, be sure to subscribe, share, and like. And we'll see you guys next time. Say hi, Odin.